You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. The name of this originally Japanese singer from Tokyo, Japan, originally. How to pronounce her name. And what's interesting here is that this name does exist in English, and in English it's usually pronounced as Asa or Asa. Now, this being from Japanese or Korean is pronounced Asa. Asa. In Korean, pronunciation Asa. Therefore, in this case here, her name is to be pronounced, or stage name, Asa. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.